There are many products available to choose fire pits, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. Fire pits create a warm, welcoming ambience and draw people together. It's no coincidence that hotels and resorts design seating areas around them, recognizing people's natural attraction to fire. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best fire pits from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Outdoor Portable Propane Gas Fire Pit. Perfect no-mess campfire. Say goodbye to dirty ash, expensive firewood, and bothersome smoke, and enjoy a clean, realistic propane campfire. The perfect outdoor centerpiece for camping trips, RV travels, tailgating get-togethers, beach parties, and family evenings on the backyard patio. Compact and easy to transport. Travel-size fire pit is lightweight and portable, easily set up in minutes with no tools required. All-weather fireball delivers a clean and smokeless flame with cozy warmth and beautiful evening ambience. Beat the campfire ban. CSA-approved fire pit is safe to use during most campfire bans. Always check with the current fire restrictions in your area. Spark-free propane campfire helps protect campgrounds and forested areas with a safer, easy-to-use fire option. Signature Outland Living Quality. Durable high-quality steel construction with protective enamel finish for dependable longevity. Superior stainless steel burner and fasteners. Outland Living has outdoor living perfected, so you can create the perfect ambience to share stories and good times. Make new memories with family and friends, in comfort and style anywhere outdoors, with the Outland Fireball Deluxe Propane Fire Pit. Number 2. Yahidic Multifunctional Fire Pit. Color: black. Material: steel and polyester bag. Overall dimension, with lid: 31.97 x 31 x 19.7 LXWXH. Overall dimension, without lid: 31.97 x 31 x 14.37 LXWXH. Features with mesh lid to prevent burning embers blowing. Poker can be used to stoke fire and remove the mesh lid. Comes with suitable outer cover to keep clean and avoid getting rusty by water or rain when not in use. Sturdy design with special pattern ideal for warmth, BBQ and cooling drinks and food in patio garden yard. Simple design, easy to assemble under the manual enclosed. The cooking grate is not included. Number 3. Spec Fire Poker for Fire Pit. Keep away from fire. The extra long 46-inch fire poker for fire pit keeps your hands away from the fire. Very suitable for campfires, fire pits, fireplaces and wood stoves. Durable black steel R16mm fire pit poker is thicker and stronger than the common 10mm diameter fire pit poker on the market. It can withstand a weight of 20 pounds and can easily move logs. Strong design. Our handles are fixed by welding process, and metal poker is fixed with rivets. Will not fall off and shake. Can be used for many years. 1-minute express assembly. Easy to assemble, easy to disassemble and store in a backpack. Portable outdoor fire pit poker can be used for camping, traveling, etc. After sales service 60 days without reason refund. Any problems, we promise to deal with them within 12 hours. Number 4. Tabletop Fire Pit Bowl. % Premium Design. This Halloween pumpkin ethanol fireplace is made of concrete, and the smooth stone texture is suitable for any scene, allowing you to decorate your home even when not in use. Comes with a base to help the stove dissipate heat while in use, protecting your table and any surface. Each fire pit is handcrafted. You will receive a unique tabletop fireplace. Shading of concrete can vary slightly. % Durable. This tabletop fire pit is made of high-quality concrete, a natural and safe material, with specially thickened bowl walls. Smokeless, odorless and durable when used. There are also 2 stainless steel burner cups to ensure no fuel leaks and reduce heat dissipation. The ceramic wool wick sponge attached to the package can gather the flame to make the flame more stable and safe when burning, and it can also prevent the alcohol. % Long burning time. The fuel in the fireball only needs to use isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol or bioethanol, 100% safe. Cook s'mores indoor or outdoor, with each burn lasting more than 60 minutes. % Portable and stylish. This tabletop fireplace is lightweight and easy to transport for indoor or outdoor use. Number 5. Homers Propane Fire Pit. CSA approved safe bonfire set. This smokeless fire pit unit burns efficiently at 50,000 BTU, CSA certified upgraded version of dual pipe burner, to make combustion more uniform. Besides, our product uses propane gas as fuel and clean burning. You never worry about the ash and smoke, just enjoy the romantic bonfire atmosphere. Multifunctional. If you're in need of a coffee table or dining table, you can double the amount of usable table space by covering the burner with a lid. Fire pit table is enough for 8 people. The propane tank stays hidden on the slide-out shelf, which helps to remove unwanted eyesores and tripping hazards. This outdoor fire pits makes it the perfect addition to existing outdoor furniture on decks, patios, balconies, and more. Don't worry about quality. Homer's fire pits for outside propane is made of new wicker made of high-density polyethylene with a thickened stainless steel frame, WPC material tabletop, making it more fashionable, more durable and suitable for all weather. Provides sufficient warm and romantic campfire atmosphere for your family and friends. Elegant and beautiful glass stone is the perfect alternative to lava rock. It does not melt, degrade or pop and create ash or smoke. When ignited, glass rocks emit more heat and spread like sparkling jewels over the fire. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.